For Duma the elephant, life has never tasted so sweet. After 40 long years in captivity, including 2 decades in a circus, this solitary African elephant has finally found freedom. Originally named Charlie, Duma was given his new name by his rescuers, one they feel is suitable and respectful. Duma means to be dominating and thunder-like, according to the Elizabeth Margaret Steyn EMS Foundation. He's a curious, intelligent, strong-willed, resilient, and brave elephant, becoming more elephant-like every day. Born in 1982 in Hwange National Park, Zimbabwe, Duma was captured at age 2 and trained for circus life in South Africa in 1984. He lived at the Pretoria Zoo until his evacuation on August 19 this year. He used to share an enclosure with a female African elephant named Landa when he was at the zoo. After Landa died prematurely in October 2020, concerns for Duma's well-being grew. The EMS Foundation reached out to South Africa's then Minister of Forestry, urging Duma's release into the care of animal protection organizations. In March 2021, the minister asked the zoo to open a discussion with the EMS Foundation. This negotiation stretched until July 2024, culminating in the government's decision to retire Duma. In May 2023, a tender process was launched to find Duma a suitable retirement home. The EMS Foundation submitted a detailed report on his health and welfare. After 4 decades, Duma's journey to freedom began. Despite doubts, he bravely entered the crate on the second day. Against all odds, Duma arrived safely, ready to embrace his new life. He reversed out of his crate the moment it was positioned in front of his enclosure, an act of sheer courage. At Shambala, Duma finds peace and solitude, finally free from the chaos of his past. Here, he can be the elephant he was always meant to be. Duma's story brings hope for all elephants trapped in captivity and for all the people striving to free them.